This is a 36 volt battery powered lawnmower, and what we want to do is just see how well this works. Alright, so if I relax these things here, you see these marks here? You get this battery charger here. So let's go and plug this in and then just see where it is. So you have to push this into position until such times as you can hear a little fan going in the background. And we're looking for this little flashing light here to be going. So only when you can hear that fan and that's flashing is it charging. So we've got these little clips here, and we've got a big one and a little one. Okay, so basically, if I pull this out and I go up there, that's high, and if I pull it out and go forward, that's the lowest. This key needs to be removed before the battery is placed in here, and then once the battery is placed in here, we can put this key back in again. Okay, so throughout the charging process, we had a flashing green light. And now that it's fully charged, we've got a solid green light. This is obviously empty, and this is overheated. This is fully charged, and this is in the charging process. And another way to check it is this. Originally, when we put the battery on charge, we pressed this little indicator here and it gave us 2 bars, and now we press it and it gives us 4 bars. And it's fully charged, ready for work. Pull the safety key out, lift this up, match it up with those, like that. So that's fully engaged. Battery goes back, key goes back in. Okay, little handle here. Now press this. This is adjustable. Push this. Lift. If you're going to use the grass box, you're going to reach in here, pull this out, and then put this in. Okay, so after, it's hard to say, but maybe 30 minutes, it has cut all this, and that's the pile that it's produced, which is quite substantial. That's just on one charge. So if your garden represents about this size here, which I would say is probably, I don't know, 25, 30 metres by about 15 metres, which is a good size patch of ground, that's one charge. So my final thoughts on this 36 volt McAlister battery powered lawnmower is very positive. The grass, the condition of the grass and the height of the grass, and it had rained heavily last night, as you saw in the video. There was a little bit of residual moisture in there. I think it did a fantastic job. If the grass was shorter, i.e., the grass I was cutting was probably like this, and I've cut it to that. If the grass was like that and I was cutting it to this, I think it would have done probably twice the amount. You can hear the tone of the machine change when it gets into thicker, deeper grass, and the battery is obviously working harder. So final thoughts are, I think it's great. For people that don't have the strength to pull a petrol lawnmower, this is a really, really, really good option. So I'd give you a thumbs up and recommend it.